Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today we are just outside Borås at a nice car meet with some really impressive cars. So let's get into it and let's see what's out there. Now, first up is this Porsche 718 Spider from 2023, and I've always wondered whether this comes under the Boxster category or it comes under the Cayman, and I think it comes under the Boxster. But this car, I know, produces around 420 brake horsepower. So it's like a pocket rocket. Now this Ford GT is very, very famous for the Borås area, and it's one of the best replicas ever built. And when was the last time you saw a Lamborghini Diablo turn up to one of your car meets? Check this one out, it's an absolute beauty. Now we have loads and loads of Porsches out today, but this one here has got to be my absolute favourite. It's a 911 from 2008 and it's absolutely gorgeous. Love the stance, love the split rims on it as well. These are BBS style rims. And also, I believe this car came with around 480 brake on it originally. I believe this car has a hell of a lot more than that now today. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking thing. So let's take a listen. Now this is a car that is very close to my heart because I don't know if you've been watching the channel for a long time, you'll know that back in the early 2000s, around 20 years ago, both me and Sean were knocking around in Lotus cars, but this one is a little bit special. This is the Lotus Exige S, and this one comes with a 3.5 V6 VVT engine that gives you around 350 brake horsepower. Now here's something pretty interesting that I came across today. This Lotus 7, just sitting there, British Racing Green, and I was wondering why they have a load of people sort of circling around it. Well, getting a bit closer, I noticed that this Lotus 7 came with a Volvo engine. Now I thought, what? Volvo engine? Yeah, we're in Sweden, but Volvo engine in a Lotus? Never heard of this before, but to my surprise, I found out this was quite common. And there have been people in the past that have put in engines called red block in these cars, and those engines are known to produce between 300 and 400 brake, which is brutal for a car that has the weight ratio of a Lotus or a Caterham. So yeah, found out something pretty new today. Being in Sweden, shouldn't be surprised. Lotus 7, Volvo engine, lovely. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time.